Hi guys, my name is Marcin Podskarbi and I'm an immigration attorney.
Hi everyone, this is Harry. I'm working with Marcin on immigration issues to Indians and what are the questions and what are the problems they are facing for while immigration to United States.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about STEM extensions. We received a lot of questions about how to get a STEM extension, how to fill out the form I-893, and this is what we're going to explain to you in this short video. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. Who is eligible for STEM? Every student who majors in science, technology, engineering and mathematics is eligible for extension of his original OPT program. OPT gets you 12 months employment authorization. After finishing 12 months program authorization, you are eligible for 24 months extension if you file all requirements with the USCIS. I-983 form you can download from the internet. It's only 5 pages long document. You must submit 4 pages which are basic information about a student and employer. Nothing difficult. If you have any questions, please call our number. We will be happy to explain it to you in details how you can fill it out. But in this video we just focus on the basic questions regarding I-983 form. Just before we start, remember that the number 5 page from the form it's filled out by you and your employer together, and you fill out this form first after 12 months of your extension because it's evaluation of your progress. Final evaluation of this page it's going to be completed within 24 months at the end of your extension. So don't fill out page number 5. Fill out 4 pages and submit it to designated school official. Every school has designated school official which he is dealing or she is dealing with USCIS. That official will help you fill out the form and guide you through the process. Harry, what are the basic questions we received regarding STEM extension?
The important question is how important is I-983 form for any consultant to sign this form? Like, is it important, mandatory for them, and what is the significance of 983 form?
So first of all, I-983 form from 2016 is required before extension can be granted. However, this form you submitted to designated school official, and designated school official must submit it to USCIS. USCIS website regarding I-983 form clearly states that there will be no extension without I-983 form. So please make sure you submit it to designated school officials, otherwise your application might be rejected. Is there any other issues concerning STEM extension?
What is going to happen if this form is not attached with the OPT extension?
Again, the problem is between designated school official and USCIS. If designated school official will not attach this form to your original papers, you most likely will have your extension denied.
We are having a major rumor that some of the STEM OPTs and H1s are being accepted and some of them are not accepted. Especially with 983 form, the STEM OPTs, some of them who did not send I-983 form, some of them are being approved while some of them are being rejected. Do you think this is something that we can address?
You mean that there is a rejection of I-983 form?
Yes, some of them.
From USCIS
Yes.
or from designated school officials?
From the USCIS, and the STEM OPT is not being produced.
Okay, so again, there is a lot of requirements to submit documents to USCIS. And if you fail to comply with the list that you can basically print out from USCIS website, you will have your application rejected. It doesn't mean that you failed to submit I-983 form, but that probably what that means is that you missed some with the requirements. For example, there is requirements that you have to submit your application 60 days before expiration of your OPT. If you submit this extension later, your application most likely going to be rejected. If you submitted your application when original OPT is already expired, you have to submit many additional proof and supporting documents from your employer to get this extension. So it's not only the form I-983 itself the problem, but the complete package of documents that you have to submit. So the application is most likely is rejected because there is some deadline concerns, deadline issues, or another missing documents on file. Again, please check diligently USCIS website and go step by step through all requirements, because I-983 form, it's only 5 pages long, but the package in order to get your extension is much bigger than that. Is there any other questions we have, Harry?
So like, what is going to happen if a employee is being fired from a company? How long does he have to find a new employer? What is the difference between getting fired and getting laid off? Is there any difference in the time period the employee can be jobless in the United States?
Okay, thank you for this question, Harry. So first of all, on your 24 extension, total time of unemployment is 150 days, which includes 60 days unemployment from your original period of 12 months OPT and 90 days of unemployment on 24 months extension, which means 150 days you can be unemployed. However, every time you're being let go or you're being fired or you resign from your job, you have 10 days to inform your designated school official about changes of your employers. Designated school official must inform USCIS about changes, and your time of unemployment is being added. If you extend 150 days unemployment period, you will be removable from the United States. Is there any other questions we received about the STEM extension?
No, Martin. Those are the basic questions we are having on STEM OPT. If there are any other questions that anybody would like, please leave on the comments or email to the credentials.
And any other question you have, please contact our office. We'll be happy to guide you through the process and help you with further immigration procedures. Thank you for watching. See you next week.